It is common for skin to get cut, scraped, or wounded. Today's topic: first aid techniques for bandaging. Make sure you wash your hands with soap before giving first aid. Goal of first aid for an open wound: stop the bleeding. Clean the wound to prevent infection. Protect from infection by bandaging. First of all, check where is the wound and how serious is it. Apply pressure with a clean cloth or gauze to stop the bleeding. Clean the wound with tap water. If the wound is minor and not bleeding much, clean it and apply antiseptic. Then cover it with a band-aid. Take care not to paste the sticky portion of the band-aid on the wound. There is no need of bandage in minor wounds. But many times the wound can be deep and it is important to apply a clean bandage on it. If you do not have bandage, you can tear a clean cotton cloth to make one. Circular bandage. This type of bandage is tied on arms and legs. Wrap the bandage in a circular motion, one layer on top of another. The bandage should neither be too loose nor too tight. After wrapping 2 to 3 layers, fold it like this and wrap it again. This will prevent the bandage from slipping. Cut off the end and secure it with tape or a clip. The second type of bandage is cylindrical bandage, that is, spiral bandage. This type of bandage is tied on fingers, wrists, thighs, or calves. Start wrapping the bandage from the narrower area like this and gradually increase the width. Ensure that each wrap overlaps 1/3 of the previous layer. Pay attention to the tightness of the bandage. Neither too tight nor too loose. After tying, secure it with a tape or clip. The third type of bandage is figure of 8, the shape of the number 8 in English. This bandage is tied on joints. Leaving the toes out like this, wrap the bandage around the foot 2 to 3 times. After this, wrap the bandage over the heel by rotating it diagonally. Then once again, bring it downward around the foot, making the shape of an English 8. Then bring it up and around the heel. By moving it up and down diagonally, you should see this pattern. After tying the bandage, secure its ends. After tying a bandage on the leg, it is important to check that the blood circulation is not obstructed. Pinch the big toe like this. If the color returns after releasing it, it means the blood circulation is good. This type of bandage is also tied in case of a sprain using a crepe bandage. This provides relief from swelling and also provides support to the body part. Some basics about tying a bandage. Always check blood circulation after tying the bandage. If the skin appears pale, loosen the bandage. Ask the patient, is there any numbness, tingling, or coldness? If yes, then remove the bandage and tie it again. In the case of a deep wound, bandaging is only a first aid measure. It is necessary to go to a doctor for proper examination. Learn first aid. Be alert.